Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved to use 2022 model Volkswagen Polo MK6 Facelift that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the desired deep black pearl paintwork, alongside housing your 1-litre petrol engine and manual transmission, making it an ideal nippy city upgrade or perfect as a first car. Housing plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights, stylish 15-inch alloy wheels, and even the added protection of your power folding wing mirrors. The boot offers plenty of space for all of your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers a comfort all round, with your fitted ISOFIX points to assist when installing those car seats, and even your central power outlets for those longer trips. Stepping into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience, with access to your digital cockpit and a central touch display screen. Again, you do have the comfort of a full cloth trim in the front, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, including your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, various audio, and even the added assistance of your lane assist, cruise control, and limiter features. Moving across, you do have your options for your radio stations to keep you well entertained on those longer trips, or your app connect to stay connected on the go. Of course, you do have your on-screen and vehicle information to easily keep an eye on the overall condition. This is followed below by your main climate controls, various power outlets, and of course your central cup holders and small storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.